Greetings everyone, this is Elijah with Financial Anatomy coming at you with another video to help you take control of your financial destiny. We're going to be covering the Venmo app in this video. In particular, how can you send money to a friend or a contact? So you want to start off by opening the Venmo app up. And this goes without saying, but you do want to make sure you have money inside your Venmo account. If you don't have any money inside your account, check this video out where I cover how to add money to your account. Assuming you have that though, just click on where it says pay in the middle of the screen with the Venmo icon. Once you're here, you'll need the username, name, or phone number of the person you want to send money to. Once you input that information, their Venmo account will pop up and then you can send them money. If you sent people money in the past, they'll also pop up here. Once you have selected the person you want to send money to, you put in the amount. For this example, I'll send my friend $5. Underneath where it says what this is for, you can type in exactly what's it for. I'm going to be funny and say it's for a video. Enjoy. Actually, let's put YouTube video. Once that is done, you have the option to schedule the sending of the money by clicking the schedule button. And you can choose to send money on a recurring basis by clicking on the frequency. I don't want to do that, so I'm going to exit out of that. You also have the gift option, which when we click that, it allows you to send it as a gift card, or if you click on cash, it allows you to attach some flair to sending the money. Not gonna really do that, but it's good to play around with and know about. Once you're ready, just click on pay. And if you don't have money in your account, but you wanna use some other method of sending it, click underneath where it says private. And you have the option to use a debit card or a bank that's linked. Keep in mind, if you use a bank, it could actually take longer for the person to receive the funds. Click on pay. And it's been done. And that is how you send money using the Venmo app. That does it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new and hit that thumbs up button if you found value in the video. See you on the next one, and don't forget to get out there and take control of your financial destiny.